Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My question is, how can we achieve moderation in our life and learn to be steadfast without being an extremist?
You see, Islam is very balanced religion, and if you follow the teachings of Islam, you will always be moderate. There is no teaching in Islam which takes you to the extremism. Islam says you have two rights to be discharged. One right is your right you owe to Allah Ta'ala. The second is you discharge your rights towards your fellow beings. So these are the two duties you will have to discharge. If you are discharging the duty that is huququllah, Allah's right, then Allah Ta'ala says that bow before me, pray 5 times daily, and if possible you can offer nafal prayers. Believe in one and omnipotent Allah Ta'ala. Believe that Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is our prophet, and during the month of Ramadan you fast for 29 or 30 days. So these are your obligations, and these are the rights of Allah Ta'ala. And then even in certain cases, in certain times, if you are unable to discharge your duties towards Allah Ta'ala, and you are not fully giving Allah Ta'ala's rights to Him, that is praying to Him or offering 5 daily obligatory prayers, then Allah Ta'ala says that if you are sick, you can offer your prayer while sitting. Even if you are totally bedridden, but your brain is active, then when you are lying on your bed, you can offer your prayer. If you are unable to keep fast during the month of Ramadan because of some sickness or some other reasons, you can complete this later on when the conditions permit you. And then the rights of the people you owe to them is that always be kind and helpful to the people. Pray for them without any discrimination, without saying that what is the color and creed or ethnicity or religion of that person. If they need your help, you help them. So if you are discharging these duties, I don't think that the slightest thought of extremism come into your mind. Okay.